You've done the inspection, then you're charging for me, and then you're going to tell me you're going to take it off. That's fucking strange. I'm really confused. What are you trying to do? It sounds like you're playing games. But if I turned up and I said, look, it's going to cost you $123 for me to go and check everything else out, once I know what it is, and if it is, I'm thinking it's probably going to be a jet blast, I'll waive the 123, but that's where we're starting. And then he goes, yes, agree. He signs, and then you could waive it later on. But when you have it all the cart before the horse, it fucks up the whole process. You go do your investigation, you look under the house, you got that. He knows he owes you 120, whatever it is, 200, 100, 500, it doesn't matter what the fuck it is. It's the fact that he owes you that money. You go, look, I found out what it is. I went under the house. I looked at this. I looked at your drain. You've got a blocked sewer. I'm going to have to go for a jet blast. I wouldn't even do a quote. A standard jet blast is going to be $495, whatever the dollar fee is. If you proceed, I'm going to waive the 123. And then now you've got leverage, and he'll go, fuck yeah, why not? That makes perfect sense.